I'm excited to announce some new features here in Clarity, the first of which are the ability to have multiple boards within your Clarity account. From within your portfolio screen, you can actually see that I'm looking at my advisory deal flow stage for the clients. So that's now been brought into your portfolio view. So at a glance, I can see that this client I need to contact, whereas this client I booked a meeting with. Now, how do we find those new boards? Drop the navigation bar at the top down and click Deal Flow Boards. You have two standard boards now. You've always had the advisory board, but now you have a funding board, which you can connect to capitalize. For example, you might have funding for 4 or 5 clients, bring them onto a board like you would for your advisory board. Here are all the clients that I'm going through different stages of my journey with. I can add and move clients from the top right, and I can also add columns here as well. I can also filter between my different boards. So if I've got compliance boards, tax boards, clients at risk, different industry type clients, you can have as many as you want in your custom boards. Now, these two boards are standard for all subscription types, whereas custom boards are for those larger subscription types. Now, if you're interested in those, you can always upgrade your account or reach out to someone like myself and we can talk you through these new features. But what I've done here, I've built a board for my compliance clients. I built a board for some specific industry type clients and those clients that I might flag as a risk. And I can add a board in the top right and give it the corresponding colors and wording that I'd like there as well. If I want to add a range of clients to multiple boards at the same time, from my portfolio tab, I can chop and choose by the squares on the left-hand side of the client's name, or select them all like I have here. Click Actions, Add to Deal Flow, and I'm now able to drop down and see all my boards from here.